Hello everyone and welcome back to One Bag, One World. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Today we're giving you a product review of the Quince 21-inch carry-on bag. So Quince just kind of popped up onto our radar recently, and I actually don't know if it's Quince or Quincy, but we really like the company. Just in time. They're very eco-conscious. They have about 70% of their stuff being sourced from renewable materials. They do a supply chain analysis where they make sure that everything is responsibly sourced and crafted, which is really great. We like that. And they've got great clothing as well, which we'll talk about in a second. So there are times, obviously, even though you want to carry a backpack, where it just makes more sense to have a rolly bag. And that is why we are reviewing this product today. So I hurt my back in the gym and we were going to Turks and Caicos, and we wanted a carry-on that we could pack a little bit more than you can normally fit in a backpack, and voila, this is the product that we went with. So why Quince over any other roller bag? There are tons out there. Away, Level 8, one that we've reviewed before, for example. Why would you pick this one? Well, it is extremely cheap and you do not sacrifice quality. That is the best thing I can say about this. It has a lot of the designer features, but at a much, much cheaper retail price for you. So right now, this bag comes in at about $129.90, basically 130 bucks for the 21-inch, and it goes down a little bit cheaper, I think about $119 for the 20-inch. So there are two carry-on sizes, and then they also have two checked bag sizes at 24 and 27 inches. Now, what do you get for that price? Well, as you can see, this thing has scuffs on it and it has already been used. Your luggage should be able to go where you are and it should do it well. So for $130, you get Hinomoto Japanese wheels. Those are the wheels at the bottom, and they have like a 360 gliding action, which is incredibly satisfying to use. If you watched our Level 8 bag review, you know that we raved about the wheels on those bags, and these feel the exact same. They are a pleasure to use. It also comes with YKK zippers, which, if you don't already know, they are basically the standard in the industry, and they are standard for a reason. They are incredibly well built and very, very durable, so you don't have to worry about a broken zipper ruining your vacation. It also comes with a great telescoping handle, very smooth action, extremely comfortable to use. I really like the finish on this thing, and of course, a TSA approved lock. On the inside, you've got a pretty standard carry-on bag. It opens up clamshell. You have a divider on one side, much like the Away, and then you have a fully zippered compartment. The thing that I really like about this is that in a small zippered pouch, there's a removable laundry bag that you can pull out, put your dirty clothes in, and take to the laundromat. You don't have to worry about packing a tote or your own separate laundry bag. It comes with the bag, which is great. Now, all of those things for $130 is an absolute steal. So my initial concern, which I'm sure yours might be as well, is how durable is this thing? At 130 bucks, is it gonna break? So even though we got the carry-on size, I decided to check it. If you can't tell already, there are scuffs all over this bag because it took a beating. We had a connecting flight, we went down to the islands. I don't think they're particularly careful with the bags down there. And so this thing got scuffed up, but it still feels pristine on the inside. It also comes with like a magic eraser to remove scuffs. We didn't want to do that. We wanted to show you that we use this bag and that, you know, this didn't just come out of a box. So that you could trust our opinion on this. Love it. I love the colorways too. They have quite a lot of colorways. We went with mint green. If you are worried about scuff showing up in your luggage, although this is carry-on, so theoretically it would never get scuffed because you wouldn't, you know, be checking it. They do have darker colors like black and gray, which are going to be much better at hiding those things. So apart from the incredibly smooth wheel action, the great telescoping handle, the YKK zippers, the Hinomoto wheels, the removable laundry bag, this bag also comes with two grab handles, one on the top and one on the side down here. So when you do have to put it in that overhead bin, you have two options to grab it. It doesn't have little rubber stops on the bottom, but it's such a small bag, I don't think you really need them. I think it's perfectly fine the way it is. And I really must say how much of a joy it's been using this bag. Brie and I both loved it. Obviously, she chose the color, so I think this is gonna be her bag from now on. I'm gonna probably stick to my backpacks, but if I do have to take a carry-on that has wheels, this is it. It's fantastic. Also, with the Level 8, it was a wider telescoping handle, so with this one, you do have that narrower telescoping handle, which can be much better for working with, you know, a small personal item backpack that has that luggage pass-through sleeve that can slide right on top on this, and you're good to go. So this bag comes in at 48 liters and 6.7 pounds. Its dimensions are roughly like 20.9 and 14.6. That's without the wheels. With the wheels, it gets a little bit bigger. It's 22.8 and 15.6, so it's a little bit bigger, but we haven't had any issues taking it on as a carry-on, and I still think that it's perfect size for a rolly bag. Now, Quince is really great. They're kind of a unique company because one of the things that they do to keep prices low is they are a manufacturer to consumer company. That's something I hadn't really heard of before, and the way they explained it to me is that they basically cut out all of the supply chain to keep costs low. So they manufacture these things and then they ship them directly to you, the consumer, and that's why their prices are so cheap. 130 bucks for this bag is great, but not only that, if you go on their website, they give you a price breakdown of their products. They show you materials, manufacturing, shipping. So you get to see exactly what you are paying for. Where does that $130 go for them in their process while making the product, which is really, really cool. I love companies that kind of give you that insight into their costs and help you find that value when you're spending that type of money. Now, Quincy doesn't just do luggage. They are also a clothing company and they are fantastic. If you haven't already, we did a one bag hot weather shirt review. And in there, I talked about Quincy linen button down shirts, but they also come with pants, for example. These are the pants that I'm wearing right now. They're just linen pants and they are incredibly comfortable to lounge in and they were dirt cheap. I cannot recommend their clothing enough. We'll put links to both of those videos down below. In the Turks and Caicos video, you can see their female options as Brie puts on an outfit that matches mine, actually, funny enough. And then I have my hot weather one bag video where I talk about some of my favorite shirts for hot weather one bag travel. These are the pants that go along with those. Cannot recommend enough. They are fantastic. 100% linen is 100% the way to go. Now, we don't have a coupon code to share with you guys, but they do have $20 off when you sign up for their mailing list, which is a great value. I mean, that takes this bag from $130 down to $110, which makes it even more affordable, and I cannot recommend them enough. We'll include a link to their stuff below. Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't already, please click that like and subscribe button.